Okay, so if your PC or laptop is out of storage, you're in the right place. So just today, I was talking to one of my friends. He told me to download Black Ops 3 to play some zombies together. And I was like, bro, my PC is fried up. I'm out of storage. And he was like, bro, come on, just download WizTree and free up some storage. And I was like, bro, what are you talking about? He said, it's one of the main sources to free up storage on your PC. So I proceeded, downloaded it, and freed up some storage on my PC. Butter smooth. I need to confess it. I did not think that would be smooth as it was. So here I am. I thought to myself, why not make a tutorial on it? So in this video, I'm going to let you know how you can free up an enormous amount of storage from the files that you most probably forgotten on your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Okay, so here's the app that I'm talking about. The name is WizTree. Okay, I didn't know it, but as far as I understood, it's quite popular as well. So you just need to get into their website and click on download. It's totally free for individual purposes. You just simply need to click on either download installer or even use the portable version. There's no difference. In the portable version, you do not need to install anything. Okay, you can just straight start the app. Okay, after you've downloaded it, here's the environment of the app itself. So first off, it will ask you to select one of your local disks. So I'm gonna head over for my C drive, which is my main drive that I have Windows installed on. Okay, so it scanned my local disk C drive within 5 seconds, which is like a miracle. So the thing that I admire is that, okay, it will show the huge files and big files that occupied your disk with like kind of square shapes. Okay, so as you can see, this file has to be enormous. If I click on it, it says generic P&P monitor. Double click on it, and it has to be one of my YouTube videos. Yeah, it is. Yes, indeed, one of my YouTube videos that occupied 2.5 gigabytes of my storage. So if you want to proceed and delete it, you just simply need to right click on it, click on explore folder, and then I strongly recommend you to click on that file, then press shift and delete simultaneously to permanently delete this file. But be ultra cautious about this method when you're pressing down shift simultaneously while deleting the file, because it will erase it completely from your PC. Honestly, I thought this app is super clean. I just wanted to let you guys know about this app. Please subscribe to my channel because 99% of the viewers have not been subscribed to me. Please like this video if you find any value. I'm trying my best to create quality content for you guys. Take care of yourself and see you in the next one.